I was sent this 48 LED rooftop light kit and ask you my opinion on it, make this short video. So let's see what you get in the box. This thing comes ready to go. You got a little instruction sheet here talking about the strobe light and how that works. Then you get the light. It's got suction cups here all ready to apply. These come off and reveal the magnets underneath. And this will protect the surface of your vehicle, but allow for those magnets to hold. Got little rubber booties here, like suction cups here on the bottom. The light set itself has 48 LEDs on this one. Just to measure it across, it's a pretty compact unit. Comes off about 6.5 inches wide and about 11.5 inches long. It looks like it's about just a little over an inch with the magnets on the bottom, be about 2 inches tall. This is going to sit on top of your vehicle, and then you're going to run this line down, just put it right in the cigarette lighter. Ever so easy. You got an on-off switch here on the cigarette lighter as well, which makes it really handy. So you can turn that on and off from inside the vehicle. Let's get this put up on top of my UTV, and we'll see how it looks. I've got my UTV here. I've got the lights installed right up there on the roof. Sits up there real nice and easy to mount that with those magnets. And then I just have the wire running along the back here and coming up to my cigarette lighter where I've plugged it in here. And I've got the power to the battery on the accessory side turned on, so I can get the lights to operate here. So let's see how they work. One thing to note is that there is a switch here for power, which will activate the lights. And then this switch here will go through a variety of different motions for the LED lights. So as I flick this and adjust, I can go to all kinds of different modes on the lights. We'll take a look at how those change. So this is the first mode that comes out, and it's just flashing like that, which is pretty cool. But if I go ahead and make some adjustments here and I switch over, then I get a different style, a little faster paced blinking there. This one here is a lot of quick flashes and then a pause. This one, it could be useful if you're trying to get traffic to move to the side here. It's going to flow in this one direction or the other, and this is going to go in the other direction. So all kinds of different options here for you to choose from. This one's doing a little bit slower, coming to the right side, and a little slower going to that left side. And then this is going back and forth, just back and forth. And then you've got one here that just paces around with a little large pause in between. And then there's a solid on as well. So lots of different choices here. And then here with a standard style flashing, and then that quick flash alternating back and forth. And then you start to repeat the process. And here's a look at them at night. As you can see, really cool, really bright. Look great on this UTV, and I'm real pleased with them. Hey, I hope that helps on a little bit more about this set of LED lights for the top of your vehicle. This rooftop mounted system's pretty good. Hope that helps. Have a great day.